In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI image generator in a simple and efficient way. Whether you're working on a personal project or need something eye-catching for your next big presentation, this tool is a game changer for creating stunning visuals quickly. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of Canva's AI image generation features. First, start by heading over to canva.com. If you haven't used Canva before, now's a great time to explore it. This platform offers a multitude of design possibilities right at your fingertips, and it's user-friendly for both beginners and seasoned designers. Once you're on the homepage, you can either create a new design from scratch or select an existing design if you've already got a project in mind. Doing so will bring up the Canva editor, which is your main hub for all things creative. Now, take a look at the left sidebar of the editor. You'll notice a button labeled Apps. Click on this button. It's your gateway to a variety of creative tools and integrations within Canva. As you scroll through the options, you'll want to search for Magic Media. This is the feature that allows for AI-powered image creation. Click on it once you find it to begin your journey into AI-generated media. With Magic Media open, you'll see a text box. This is where the magic begins. Take a moment to think about what you want to create and type a detailed description into the box. Remember, the more specific you are, the better the AI can generate an image that suits your needs. This is your chance to be creative, whether you're envisioning a serene landscape or a dynamic portrait. After describing your desired image, you'll have the opportunity to select your preferred style and ratio. Canva provides a variety of styles, ranging from classic to modern, or even abstract, depending on your project's needs. The ratio is equally important, especially if you are creating content optimized for specific platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Choose carefully to ensure your image fits perfectly wherever you intend to use it. When you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to click Generate Image. In moments, the AI works its magic, transforming your words into a visual masterpiece. But don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. Canva allows you to edit the generated image to fine-tune details or tweak colors to better suit your vision. Once you're happy with the final outcome, the last step is to share your creation with the world. Click on Share, and then select the option to download your image as a PNG or JPG file, whichever suits your needs best. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've harnessed the power of Canva's AI to create something truly unique and special. I hope this walkthrough helps you unlock new creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.